Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can show your pointer location on Android. So this is similar to show task but display the actual coordinates of your tabs at the top of the display. So it's very good feature for developer. Let's try activate developer option first by tap repeatedly on about phone about build number of your Android. After that, show notification will pop up that say your developer option is on. You can tap additional settings and tap on developer option. Now developer option is enabled. You can scroll down and try to search the input. Here we go. You can try to turn on show tabs, and of course you can turn on pointer location. Screen overlay showing current touch data. Here, as you can see, there is a pointer here. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.